Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but one that I find very interesting. Let's see. There is a part of the engine that is given little importance. And really, it is very important. I am speaking of the engine supports. Look, this engine has a damaged support. There you see how it moves. Inside the rubber is broken. The function of the engine support is not only to support the weight of the engine, to fix it to the body, but also, it consists of absorbing the vibrations and movement of the engine itself. You see, there you can see that the rubber is broken. This should be changed as soon as possible. Why? Because if it is not changed, in the end this will go to any more, it will get worse, and then, the engine will start to move back and forth, and since that support is damaged, the other supports, the central one and the gearbox one, will have to bear much more load, and those will also end damaging, and as I say, if this is solved at the beginning, changing it, there you solve the problem, but if it is left without changing, in the end you will notice that the body begins to vibrate. You will notice jerks when you change the gears, especially when reverse gear is engaged. And of course, all those vibrations, those movements, end up affecting the engine itself and the engine components. Be careful with these things. If you notice that your car has a bad support, change it as soon as possible. Do not wait for things to go further. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.